Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a look at our weather a week ahead and beyond. And it looks like some big changes on the way as we have one disturbance which is moving to our southwest right now. Have seen a bit of an increase in the clouds, as you can see here by mid-afternoon over a good chunk of the Arklatex. And it looks like if we're going to have anything as far as rain, it'll be over the southwestern sections of the area during this Monday afternoon, and we will see a slight chance for some rain heading into Tuesday. Here's a look at the overall pattern. You can see that disturbance, which is right now situated across central Texas. It is moving towards the south and east, and that's where most of this heavier rain will probably continue to track. So minimal impact from this particular disturbance as it approaches the area. Then some changes on the way heading into the middle part of the work week. As we move into Wednesday evening and Wednesday night, this is Wednesday morning. There's going to be a front that's going to be situated somewhere close to the north and northwestern edge of the area. It'll gradually sag to the south heading through Wednesday. We will see lots of rain associated with this cold front, and on the back side of it, some colder air behind this front will filter in, and it's looking promising that we will see some wintry precipitation mainly over the north and northwestern edges of the area. Let's take a look at Robin's Story to Futurecast, take you through the next few days here. And the main impact we'll be dealing with until then is going to be the potential for some heavy rain. As you can see tonight, again, small chance for a shower, scattered shower, a slight chance for tomorrow. Tomorrow night, again, for the most part, a mostly cloudy sky. Wednesday, as the cold front gets closer, we will see a chance for a scattered shower or thunderstorm. You can see the northerly winds behind the front, the southerly and southeasterly winds ahead of the front. Notice too, back here to the west, the pink that represents more than likely freezing rain in spots, as we'll have to watch the thermometer very closely heading into especially Thursday morning. This stops at 2 a.m. and you can still see all rain across our area. Showing you the longer range version of Futurecast, it does show again the changeover beginning to take shape here, and this mainly would be freezing rain. What's going to be happening is that the colder air is going to get dammed up to our north and has to go around the Ouachita. So that's why we usually see basically rain over most of the Arklatex. We'll have the best chance where the cold air goes around the Ouachitas over the basically western edges, northeastern edges, and eventually the northern edge of the Arklatex heading into Thursday morning. We will see again a possibility for some freezing rain as far south as Shreveport. I'm kind of doubtful that we're going to get cold enough to have anything significant as far as accumulation here. This is where we could see a little bit of accumulation of freezing rain. And keep in mind that temperatures leading up to this event will be well above 60, so the ground is going to be warm. We're talking about mainly exposed objects, and you can see the accumulations where we do manage to get some freezing rain going to be rather light. We're going to have to watch the northwestern and western as well as northeastern edges of the area for the possibility of a little bit more accumulation up towards Nashville, DeQueen, maybe Idabel, Clarksville, and maybe Mount Pleasant. So again, this is the part of the Arklatex here that has the best shot of having some issues with the freezing rain. Not too concerned about Shreveport, East Texas, and Northwest Louisiana at this time, as again, more than likely it will be above freezing as the precipitation falls. As far as rainfall potential, we are looking at a decent shot of seeing at least an inch. You can see Futurecast showing an inch all across the Arklatex. Some locations could see more than 2 inches of rainfall, which is good news considering the drought conditions that we do have across the area. And then longer range, we will kind of settle into a drier weather pattern heading into the weekend. You can see our first disturbance that'll push on through. We'll take a bit of a break. Here comes the cold. And again, notice the upper level winds southwesterly. Big question is how far south can that cold air get? Again, I don't expect we'll see it penetrate very far into the Arklatex to cause any widespread issues as far as freezing rain. And keep in mind, it's only Monday. That very well could change, as we have seen minor changes in the models here during the past couple of runs. So your forecast looks like this for tonight. We will see a mostly cloudy sky, small chance for a shower, as temperatures will mainly be in the upper 40s to lower 50s. 53 tonight in Shreveport, 51 degrees for the nighttime low in Texarkana. Tomorrow looking at a slight chance for a shower, otherwise mostly cloudy, and we stay mild with highs in the mid to upper 60s tomorrow. That includes 65 in Texarkana, 68 in Marshall, 68 in Shreveport, 69 degrees for the daytime high tomorrow in Natchitoches. And your 10-day forecast shows that we will see temperatures that will turn much colder behind this cold front heading into the middle and last half of the work week, as we'll see highs that'll basically Wednesday probably in the upper 60s to low 70s. As we go into Thursday, we're going to be looking at temperatures falling into the 30s, pretty much area wide, probably low 30s and this 38 is going to be the afternoon temperature, say 5 o'clock. In Shreveport, we likely will begin at 45. We should be done with the precipitation by the time we get below freezing, at least in Shreveport. And notice 40s for highs Friday, Saturday, but it will warm up back to normal by Tuesday. Another slight chance of rain towards the end of the 10-day period. So all eyes on a cold front, which will slide its way through the Arklatex Wednesday and Wednesday night, bringing a possibility for some freezing rain over the north and northwestern edges of the area.